Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristole Perkins. You may have heard about my business Perkins Marketing, but if you haven't, make sure you check out my video where I made my first $6,500 week on Shopify selling online. Tell them what you did, babe. So in today's video, we're going to be going over drop shipping on eBay and your first $1,000 on eBay and the products that you should be selling on your eBay store today. So drop shipping on eBay is actually not my specialty. My husband here, who likes to refer to himself as the eBay king, is here to explain the actual Perkins marketing drop shipping method that he has come up with in order to get our clients sales on eBay. Babe, would you like to take it away?
I say what's up. Hey guys, so I'm Trey Perkins, co-founder of Perkins Marketing, and I'm here to explain to you the Perkins piggybacking method and the way we do it. So the way that I find products is I go on sites like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Kmart, Target, and I take the best-selling and trending products description and I copy and paste that into google.com.
So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and take out a pen and a paper, maybe your iPhone, your iPad, your laptop, and just start taking some notes, because at the end of this video, you're basically going to have yourself an eBay dropshipping checklist so you know what to go ahead and look for before you're posting your products.
By best-selling, I mean products with at least 250 positive reviews, enough high quality non-stock photos to gain your buyer's trust. The reason I say non-stock photos is because that can get your account suspended. And I actually use walmart.com because they have free 2-day shipping on products over $35.
So once you Google that product, you're going to see that product selling on either eBay, Amazon, or both. Once you see that product selling on eBay or Amazon for double the price, then you know that someone's already drop shipping this product and they already have success with this product, so you should have success with this product too. So go ahead and click on that product and go ahead and view that product, and you're going to see how many orders the product has, the reviews, any defects or anything like that, so you know if you want to sell this product, if it has a high risk of chargebacks or bad customer reviews or anything like that. So once you go ahead and find this product has the winning description, the winning photos, the winning title. So you want to click sell this product or sell one of my own or sell this item. It's going to be like that on eBay and Amazon, and this is called piggybacking. So you're actually going to just piggyback off of this product. You're going to undercut their price, so you want to make yours a little bit less than theirs so that you can make sure people want to buy your product over theirs. So a question I get a lot is, why would they buy my product if the product's already selling on Amazon? We're going to undercut their price. So if something is selling for $19.99, you're gonna sell it for $18.99 because that dollar makes a huge difference. So this is where it gets tricky, guys. Basically, what you wanna do, those sellers that you just found, so when you found those products that are selling on Amazon or eBay, they're gonna have a vendor, they're gonna have a seller. You're gonna know the name of the seller, if it's a diamond seller, if it's a high, a good seller, a higher seller. So basically, with those sellers, you're gonna be able to see the items that they sell. Yes, so when you look at the items they sell, what do you think, guys? That means they're having success with those items. You're basically going in their items to sell and finding your inventory. So anybody who has a high orders, they have a lot of sales, they have high reviews, they're a really high-end seller, then you want to go ahead and look in the items that they sell because you're definitely gonna have success with those items. All right, guys, so that's all we have today for our selling on eBay video, your first $1,000 on eBay, and I promise you this works. This piggybacking method that we have come up with works. We have so many clients that sell on eBay and they make sales, so many clients that sell on Amazon and they're making sales and they are bringing in daily sales, high ticket orders. Some people are selling things that are making them $750 a day, selling 2 a day of those products. Some people have things, smaller that are like little gadgets or little action figures or maybe a basketball hoop or a desk or anything like that that has a smaller profit margin, but there are those big products out there, so make sure you do all your research, make sure you're using those spywares, and make sure you are doing your research on YouTube and watching our videos. And if this video did help you and you are making sales on eBay because of our method, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those notifications, that little bell. Yeah, we're pushing that. We're pushing that now. We need y'all to subscribe. We need y'all to watch these videos. We need y'all to comment. We need more engagement. We need more feedback. We want to know what you guys want on our channel. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching this video. We will see you guys in the next video, and make sure to thumbs up.